Welcome to section 15, and in this section we're going to implement the feature for the client-side attendance. And our learning goals for this section is simply to implement the feature on a client side from start to finish. We want our users to be able to attend activities, and we want to see this in our user interface so that as we do something, our React application reacts to the changes that we make based on what's going on in our MobX stores. So we're really reviewing what we've done before in order to implement this feature and practice similar concepts that we've been looking at so far in this course. And if we take a look at the before and after for this section, so before we implement this feature, well, we've got a bunch of placeholders for what we're doing here already. So we're going to have attendees in this section. We'll have the actual data to update the user interface properties here as well. And if we go and look at an activity, then on the right hand side we've already got the placeholders for the attendees that are going to an event, and we've already got buttons that can be clicked on to manage an event, to cancel the attendance, or to join an activity. So in this section, pretty straightforward, we're going to be implementing those elements, and let's take a look at what it's going to look like when we're finished. So after we finish this section, then we're going to have the attendee information along with our activities. And each one of the activities, the user will be able to tell if they're going to an activity, if they're hosting an activity, and each attendee will be able to display a card of their profile as well. And if we go to an activity that I'm attending, then we've got the option to cancel the attendance, and we can remove ourselves from the activity. And if we go back to the list, then we'll see ourselves removed. And if we're hosting the activity, then we've got the option to manage the event and also to cancel the activity as well. And all of the information is updated on the sidebar as well, and we can reactivate the activity. So this is what we're looking to achieve in this section.